What's up, everybody? You're watching another signNow video guide with the next tip on how electronic signatures can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
Are delayed payments affecting your sales cycles? Delight your customers with fast and secure payments online right after signing documents. Allowing clients to pay online quickly eliminates delays and the risk of non-payment. Making payment collection a part of your sales workflow rather than a separate process helps to increase customer loyalty and engagement. Don't put off taking payments. signNow makes it easy for customers to pay for your services from anywhere. Automatically accept payments right after generating quotes, negotiating prices, and signing contracts without having to switch between those accounts. Here are some tips sales teams can use to save time and money with signNow's e-signature solution. When there's two or more parties involved in a signing process, signNow allows you to easily set a signing order and collect signatures in the order that you specified. To do so, select each recipient and then simply add all the fields needed, like signature, text, and date. Next, you can change the name of the group. Then, just slide up or down to set the order. Click Customize Message to update the invite email message. And then if you prefer, click Apply this invite email to all recipients. When you're ready, click Send Invite. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
If you work with documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try signNow for a period of 7 days absolutely free.